Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a chicken soup recipe, clear chicken soup recipe which is so simple and tasty. So let's get started with the recipe. If you like my video, give a thumbs up or please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Let's take a pan. I am adding 300 grams of chicken. I am using breast chicken pieces. You can also use thigh pieces. I am adding 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 medium sized onion roughly chopped, some rock salt. Now adding 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 500 ml of water. If you need more stock, you can use 1 liter of water also. Now give it a boil 10 to 15 minutes. Maximum or minimum 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am showing you the chicken is 80% cooked now. The breast chicken take hardly 12 to 15 minutes to properly cooked. I am closing the lid again. After 15 minutes, I am now switch off the gas. Now I am separate the stock and the chicken pieces, and I am shredded this chicken in this way. This is so easy. You can separate this easily, and I am just discard this bone and use this chicken. Now again I am taking a pan, add some clarified butter, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. Now add some finely chopped garlic. Now add some finely chopped green chili. After 1 minute, I am adding the shredded chicken and saute this for 2 to 3 minutes approximately. After this, I am adding the stock. You can add salt if you need it in this time. Now I am taking 1 tablespoon of corn flour and adding 2 tablespoons of water into it and mix it well. Give it a good mix. Now I am adding this slowly into the soup. Give it a good mix. I am adding black pepper powder again. Now I am squeeze a lemon, half a lemon actually. If you like to add some sweetness into it, you can add this in. Now it is almost done. I am switch off the gas and this is ready. I am closing the lids and serve this. Now take a serving bowl. Then serve this. If you are trying to losing your weight, definitely try this particular recipe. It is so helpful and so easy, and it is so tasty. Believe me, you can try this at home. At once, you just loved it. It is so tasty and so helpful in your weight loss journey. Now this is ready to eat.